Hey everybody, welcome to another Munch and Learn from Mickey. Are you still running your Oracle workloads outside of your virtual environment? Or are you still facing challenges with managing your Oracle licenses in your virtual environment? Then take note of this 2-minute video because it might give you some insight as to what you can do. So, is this very familiar to you where you've got a big virtual environment, maybe on Red Hat Virtualization, maybe on VMware, and you've got all your workloads there except your Oracle databases, which still reside on your physical machines. Or you may have them on a separate, dedicated, segmented virtual environment. Well, this is something that many of our customers are facing. So this might seem familiar to you. So what is it that you can do? Well, it's actually easier than you think. Recently, Oracle have stepped up its game in terms of virtualization, and we always had KVM as part of our Oracle Linux software stack, but what we've recently done is added to KVM by implementing something called Oracle Virtualization Manager. What is Oracle Virtualization Manager? It's basically Overt, which is the same management tool you get with Red Hat Virtualization. But with that, we've done something special. We've added CPU pinning by way of hard partitioning. So now you can take your Oracle workloads, take them off your physical machines and put them into a virtual environment based on KVM and Oracle Virtualization Manager, which is an overt technology. Now, how easy is it to change over to Oracle Virtualization Manager with KVM? Well, if you're running Red Hat Virtualization, it's super simple. You don't have to change any of the VMs, any of the configurations. All you need to do is swap the manager over from Red Hat Virtualization Manager to Oracle Virtualization Manager, which is essentially the same. Once you've done that, you can implement CPU pinning. That's how simple it is. You don't have to bring down your systems, you don't have to implement a new infrastructure for virtualization. That's how simple it is. If you're doing it on VMware, then any migration to something like KVM is going to be the same. What's the cost? So I implore you to go and find out the cost for yourself. These are by no way confirmed in any way that you see on the screen. However, what I can find on the internet about this price, I'm comparing that to Oracle's virtualization, and actually, it looks like it's about 50% lower than Red Hat. When you take Red Hat's pricing, it's about that much lower than VMware. So if you're already thinking about moving from VMware to Red Hat Virtualization, then you want to consider Oracle KVM with Oracle Virtualization Manager, because it could be that much more lower cost. This is Mickey, giving you an insight into a new way of virtualizing all your data center, including your Oracle workloads, and actually managing your Oracle licensing at the same time. Don't take my word for it, go and do the math for yourself. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you soon.